If you are trying to automate your small business, do not start with everything. Start with the 5 tasks that quietly waste the most time and cause the most friction. Because if you automate the right things first, your business gets easier to run almost immediately. The mistake most business owners make is thinking automation has to be a huge project. So they either overcomplicate it, put it off, or try to automate random things that do not really matter. Meanwhile, the same repeated tasks keep draining time every day. Leads come in and do not get followed up properly. Bookings go back and forth through messages. Quotes and invoices get handled manually. Customers keep asking for updates. Admin work piles up in spreadsheets and inboxes. And because each task feels small on its own, it is easy to ignore. But together they create delay, stress, and lost revenue. That is why the best place to start is not with the fanciest system. It is with the most repeated friction. So here are the 5 tasks I would automate first in almost any small business. Number 1. Lead capture and follow-up. If someone shows interest, that lead should land in one place, trigger a notification, and move into a follow-up process immediately. Number 2. Bookings and scheduling. Anything that creates back and forth messages to find a time should be simplified into one clean booking flow. That alone can save an enormous amount of friction for both you and the customer. Number 3. Quotes, invoices, or order confirmation. If you are rewriting the same information over and over, that is a strong sign the process should become a system. Templates, auto-filled fields, and triggered confirmations make this much easier to manage. Number 4. Customer updates. People do not like being left in the dark. Simple confirmation messages, reminders, or progress updates can remove a huge amount of manual checking and customer chasing. Number 5. Internal admin handoff. This is the behind-the-scenes part that owners often forget. When a lead is booked, an order is paid, or a job is confirmed, your team should know exactly what happens next without needing someone to manually pass it on. Now notice what all 5 of these have in common. They happen often. They follow a pattern. And they directly affect customer experience and revenue. That is why they are usually the best first automation wins. They are also easier to improve than most owners think because the workflow is already there. It just needs to be connected properly. Let us imagine a local service business. Right now, the owner handles new inquiries through phone calls, Instagram, Facebook, and the website. They reply manually. They check availability manually. They send quotes manually. They remind customers manually. And they message the team manually when a job is confirmed. That means one sale creates 5 separate admin actions. Now let us clean that up. A lead form captures the inquiry. The system logs it in one place. The owner gets notified. The customer gets a confirmation message. When the customer is ready, they use a booking link instead of going back and forth. Once booked, a quote or invoice template is triggered. Then the customer receives a reminder before the job. At the same time, the team gets the job details automatically. That is 5 major manual tasks simplified into one connected flow. And once that system is in place, the owner is no longer spending the day reacting to admin. They can actually focus on delivery, sales, and growth. And that is exactly how automation should feel. Not flashy, not complicated, just smoother. If you are wondering where to start with automation, start with the work that repeats the most and slows the business down the most. For most small businesses, that means lead follow-up bookings. Quotes or invoices, customer updates, internal handoff do not automate everything at once. Pick one of those 5. Fix it properly. Then move to the next one. That is how you build momentum. And that is how automation becomes something practical instead of overwhelming. And once you stack a few simple automations together, your business starts feeling lighter, faster, and more scalable. If you want more practical videos like this, subscribe for more from Legion Algo Labs. And if you want help building these systems into your business, that is exactly what we do.